Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the phone app and going straight to voicemail. This gets you to the messages. If your device shows a voicemail tab, tap it now, and if not, dial 1 to reach carrier voicemail. Enter your PIN when prompted so you can access saved messages. Once done, scan the list and pick the first message you want to remove. Make sure you use the app's visual voicemail when available because it gives direct delete controls and previews. You now select messages. Long press one item or swipe left to reveal delete, and tap to mark multiple messages if needed. When the trash icon appears, press delete and confirm the action so the message moves to a deleted or trash folder. If you have many messages, tap edit or manage to choose a batch and free space faster. Once done, check for a confirm or OK prompt because some carriers require a second confirmation to complete removal. Finish by emptying the deleted or trash folder to permanently remove messages and reclaim space. Open that folder and tap Empty or Erase. If messages reappear or deletion stalls, toggle visual voicemail off and back on in phone settings, or clear the phone app cache in system settings to force a refresh. If problems persist, contact your carrier because carrier-side voicemail systems sometimes require server-side deletion.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.